So this is a 2003 Mazda 6, and we're replacing the shock and the strut assembly. So with the wheel off, the first thing you want to do is disconnect this bolt. And this holds the brake line on. It's a 12mm. So there's that. Comes right off. And that'll free the brake line. Okay, then the next step is to take off the sway bar link. And I'll show you guys how to do that right now. Let's see if it's T27. So it's a T30. And we're also going to need a wrench. I'm thinking it's either a 14 or a 15. I like to put all my bolts in the same place, so we're going to use this bucket. Now, okay, so it's a 14. And let's try a T30. Okay. There we go. This is on there backwards. Needs to go like that. And then you put your, you go like that. Okay. Then you take your ratchet and basically loosen this. So now the nut is spinning, but the shaft is staying in one place. See that? And now, there it is. We can move that back. And we've also got this little bolt to deal with, which probably looks like maybe it's a 15. I have my 15mm wrench so I can check. Yep, 15, so I can grab a 15 socket. Oh no, 14. There's that. Now let's see if I can do this one-handed with my ratchet. So here's the thing about that, is it has to go the other way. So, like, And let me see if there's a way I can set this down, because I don't want to strip anything here. Oh, I got it. We're good. It doesn't want to come, y'all. Use some PB Blaster. Use some WD-40. Something of that nature. So there we go. Now that that is free, I'm guessing this probably needs to come off too, so that way I can drop this wishbone out of the way and actually be able to remove this. So let's see here. We've just got one bolt going all the way through, and it might be the same size. I think that's everything that was connected. And it's not a 14. Let's see, maybe it's a 15. Yes, 15. Okay. So you're gonna do it like that. And because I only have one hand, I'm gonna break out the pipe. Nice and easy. You don't want to strip it. That's why I'm making sure it's on there all the way. And then just easy pressure. Okay. While I'm turning it, make sure we can see it turning over here, which it is. Now we can get rid of the pipe. Gosh, everything's harder with one hand. There we go. Then this will slide down off like that. You can just let it hang And now the top. So I'm going to let the lift down. Good to put these on, especially when you've got a vehicle like this with nice paint. You want to keep that paint in good shape. And we'll go down a little bit more. Alright. Now we've got 1, 2, and 3. And these up top are 14 millimeter. Now it's out. That's it. And you can lift it up over and just rotate it. Make sure everything is right here. We've got the brake line caught. So just be really careful. Move it out of the way. Like that. And there it is. So that's it, guys. And when you put it back in, just the opposite